everyone. I'm Swati Jain and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, The Motivational Beat. Today I want to talk to you all about the belief system. We all would agree to the point that ever since we are born, we are following some particular thought process, which is our belief system till date. There are a certain thoughts that have been told to us by our parents, mentors and guardians, which works as a thumb rule for us. And we have also developed many beliefs in due course of time through our own learnings and experiences in life. We have developed various beliefs about many persons, attitudes, places, and even about our own caliber and our own strengths. We created them so deeply inside us that they have the power to take us to greater heights, but they also have a negative power to pull us from behind and do not let us touch the success points in our life. Belief system has that power. Sometimes we start doubting our own caliber because we have such bad beliefs about our own selves. Those beliefs are not doing anything good to us, rather they are limiting our growth in life. These beliefs have a very strong notion that can bring us to any height or may fall us apart. So it is us to decide how do we take our attitude towards building up these belief systems. I'll tell you a story on this. This is a story of Eklavya and Dronacharya. While Eklavya wanted to learn the art of archery from Guru Dronacharya, but Guru Dronacharya rejected this notion of teaching him any art because he was the guru of the royal family. On this, instead of being demotivated and getting this in his head, Eklavya made it his life mission and learned the art of archery all by himself. He excelled in that art and he was the #1 archer of that time. This is the power of our mind. This is the power of our belief. We cannot let other person decide upon our future just because they believe that we cannot do anything good or bad in life. We cannot glue ourselves to any set beliefs in life. We need to innovate our minds with changing times and with changing circumstances in life. People will have so many perceptions about others and about ourselves. We cannot let them decide our destiny. We cannot let them decide our perception and our mindset. We need to be really fair to ourselves and have a clear balance between the good and the bad things. We need to learn from the experiences of life, but we need to have an open mind and accept all kinds of changes and innovate ourselves, innovate our mindset towards all the changes in life. Because that way we'll grow better and we'll build a better tomorrow for ourselves. With this thought, I, Swati, will see you soon with a very fresh thought. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment on this video. I'll be back very soon. Till then, bye-bye.